Hey, this is Dawn. Thank you for joining me for this maitri meditation. So, we know that there's a lot of joy in this world, and we're also aware that there can be pain and even suffering. This practice that we're about to engage in is a very specific type of meditation. It's a meditation that's designed to evoke the wish that we can be happy, that all others can be happy, and that we get into the root cause of what allows happiness to expand so that we can release that into the flow of our experience. So it's fluid. It also has its heart an assumption that we all belong to one another, that we're not isolated islands, we're all connected. So this meditation, Maitri meditation, walks us into that truth and encourages us not to avoid discomfort that we feel, but to actually embrace it as part of the human experience and to work with it. So through doing that, we wish for ourselves and we wish for others to enjoy the source of happiness and joy and peace. But we don't just wish it for ourselves and the people that we feel really great about. We're also wishing it for those that we feel more complicated relationships with. So there are 4 aspects to this practice with that in mind. And I'm going to walk you through each one as we get started. In the first level, you'll focus on yourself and your own enjoyment of the root of happiness. And then you'll focus on someone you deeply love. It could be a human, it could be an animal, someone alive, no longer here. But you wish for them to be happy and to enjoy the root of that happiness. Then you'll wish for neutral people that you don't know well to feel the root of happiness. And then finally, the hardest one, you focus on someone who you feel more negatively towards, maybe resentment or anger, and you wish the same of them to explore and enjoy the root of happiness. So I will walk you through it and enjoy it and get back to me about how it worked for you. Okay? So to begin, find yourself in a comfortable position and just settle into where you are and allow your eyes to just gently close. And we'll begin with just a quick body scan. So feel your feet, the warmth of your feet. Feel the space in between the bones of your feet and allow that warmth to travel up the back of your legs, the back of your body, all the way up to your shoulders. And then let that warmth radiate out through the depth of your body and out the front of your body. Feel a deeper sense of letting go through your hips, allowing your pelvis to drop. Relax into the chair or the floor or the bed. And feel the intention of kindness that is here surrounding you, nurturing you, and encouraging you to be present and happy and peaceful. Relax into your abdominal organs, your heart, your shoulders, and your palms. And let any of the muscles of facial expression relax. Let go. Now, from this place of relaxed attentiveness, let yourself make a wish for yourself that you can be sincerely connected to feeling joy. Make a sincere wish that you can enjoy feeling good in your body, in your mind, and in your life. Picture yourself smiling this aspiration to be happy to bubble up from your heart's depth and to radiate out through every cell in your body. Even imagining this wish to be happy to radiate and expand outside of your physical body. As if that wish was imprinted in your auric field, in the energy field that surrounds you. Stay with this deep wish that you be happy and that you become very well acquainted with the root of joy, the source of joyful life. Begin to focus now on someone that you deeply love and care about, someone who you don't feel ambivalent about in terms of your love for them or connection to them. Maybe you see their face or you say their name to yourself. And then you expand this wish to be happy towards them. So you feel in your own bones a very deep aspiration, a very deep, sincere wish for this person or people to feel love, to feel loved, to feel happy. Recognize your gratitude towards them for being in your life. And recognize your wish for them to carry joy in their hearts. Let that wish radiate and get even stronger as it moves through them. You may even picture them smiling and joyful and light, peaceful, connected. You might find yourself going back and forth between them and you. This is good. Allow yourself to sit with the beautiful radiance that this person and you are deeply connected, and that you're all enjoying the source of happiness, the source of joy. If your mind goes somewhere else or off into a thought of distraction, it's just to be expected. Just bring it back to this wish for you both to feel joy, to embody love, to genuinely cultivate a steady happiness. Now we radiate this energy out towards people who you feel neutral about. Those who don't evoke a strong positive or a strong negative reaction. Someone who you might not know well, they might deliver your groceries, you might not even know their name. Some passerby or someone walking down your street. And just picture that person or feel their presence and let yourself wish for them to also enjoy happiness, to also be intimately acquainted with the root of joy, of love. Now, when you're ready to, expand this beautiful wish to include those who you may have negative feelings towards. They may be justified and understandable, but for right now, wish for this person to be acquainted with the root of joy, of happiness. This could even be someone whom you love, but who, for whatever reasons, evokes a more nuanced feeling, evokes unpleasant feelings like anger, resentment, disappointment. So picture this person in your mind. You can say their name to yourself. And now wish for them to also enjoy the source of all happiness, to also be intimately acquainted with joy, with a lightness, with a compassionate love. Recognize that as they enjoy peace and happiness, you will also be lifted. You will also benefit from this joy. Imagine the initial joy from your heart radiating to include those that you love very deeply and unambivalently, reaching and radiating out to those who you have a neutral connection to, and now radiating out to those who you have negative feelings towards. And in that space of radiating this love and peace, you might say, may we all be free of suffering. May we all be free of the root of any suffering. May we all experience joy and happiness. May this radiate out from each of us to all others whom we interact with. Allow this compassion to be present for us, for those we feel a deep connection of love towards, for those we don't know well at all, and compassion for those who we feel challenged by. Continue to draw your attention to radiating this wish for love, gratitude, resonating and expanding to include everyone, everywhere, no exceptions. You can picture it, you can feel it. Now draw a big breath in and let the breath go. You can stay in this meditation here, noticing any thoughts that come up. Note them as thinking, and then return to your breath or to this image of radiating out peace, love, compassion. Or you may conclude your meditation for today and gently allow your eyes to open. Thank you.